Hi friends, welcome. We'll learn about Excel and Python, so we can create Excel files by using Python and use it for our day-to-day work also and for complex applications also. So in this we'll be using OpenPyXL. This is the library what is required, so you must have to install it, or even if you don't install it also we can work in the Colab. That also I'll tell you, because this by default this library is already available in the Colab platform. So we'll both way we'll learn. We work it on the cloud platform and work it on the desktop application, so we can work in the Excel file using Python. We'll learn more about this. Visit this URL. This is there in the description below, so you can visit this. And first is how you will install it in your desktop, but as I told you, you can go to the Colab platform. Now next is you can copy this, all these codes here, whatever is explained here, and all this code also will try in both the platforms, Colab in the cloud platform as well as in the desktop environment. Here the entire source code all are explained here. You can just go through it, copy it and experiment in your system. To check the version, let me just copy these two lines, import OpenPyXL, that is how I will import the library, and the version. This is not for only for OpenPy, other libraries also you can check the version here also, same way. So I am in my Colab platform now. Colab is that Google's cloud platform. You must log in to Google account, and your files are stored in Google Drive. So it's a part of your Google Drive, so you can directly use it. To reach here, you just type in the Google Colab. So Google Collaboratory, you can reach here, create a new notebook. It's all IPYNV files, so you can get it. Now I have already pasted it here. Here it is, my code. Here my resources are already allocated, RAM and everything I can see here. I will run this. So once I am running this, I get the output 3.1.5. This is the version of OpenPyXL what is available to me. So I need not have to install it. It is already available for me to use it. Now let's copy a simple code from here. So we'll just take this part, a basic code, just to create a Excel file in our Colab platform. So I am coming here, I am pasting it. Small change I have to do. See here I have a my path. My path means where I want to store my Excel file, my final output. That I am going to comment it, because I am in a cloud platform. We'll also see when I am working in the Visual Studio Code, we can use that one. Now let me just give me a save as. I will give my file.xlsx. This is my file what will be created. Now the question is where it will be created. I will show you that. Was this files folder here? So here it will be created. Now what is that file will contain? That's what you see from OpenPyXL import workbook. Now I am defining a workbook here. Here I am writing two text here, and in the cell 2.1 I am writing Python. Say 2A1 also I can access the cell. I am writing welcome to plus2net, and 2.1 row 2 column 1 I am writing Python. So these data, whatever I am writing it here, this will Excel, it will go to the Excel file, my file, and this file will be created here in the left side, which I can download it. Note that this file, once it is created, it will be available in the runtime only. Runtime only means once I log out, this file will be removed. Then you may ask it, okay, before that I can download it also, but you may ask it that, okay, fine, I want to keep my file with me there, or I can use it next time also. How I'll do that? For that you have to use the mount drive. What is mount drive and all? We have explained it in another video. You can watch that also. That way the file can be stored inside your Google Drive and use it. Now let us run this. So we'll see, yes, everything is fine. Let's run this. Then we will watch here for our file to create. Fine. Here it is. My file is created. My file.xlx. Now here I can click this button, rename the file, download it to my local system. Whatever I want to do it, I can do it also. So this is how. But let's now come to a desktop environment where by using this path, I can able to create the file in my system. Here I am using the same code, so but in a different platform. I am in my Visual Studio Code, so I am using this completely OpenPyXL, but here I have already installed it. Pip installed OpenPyXL, so that library will be installed. Now the same code again, I am writing the same welcome to plus2net Python here, but here I have slightly changed the path. Earlier I was using Google Drive from my desktop to connect it and save it. Now I am giving a simple path, E drive. Inside this folder my file.xlx file should be created. Now let me just run it. So fine, no error. So the Excel file is created. Let me go there and see this. Here it is, my file. I will just open this. Here it is, welcome to Python, and Python is written. This is how it can be in your desktop or in your cloud platform. You can use OpenPyXL and create the Excel file. That's all, friends. Hope you have just got the how to start with this library, and we will continue further by adding more data, by integrating the database to it, and more such features also we'll see, and how to use this. We'll learn more about this one. And if you have any idea, doubt, suggestion or questions, use the comment section below to post it. And my request is, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add tutorial, and we are frequently adding this also, and we are continuing with our library using Python. So that's all, friends. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.